Imagine stepping into a world where the digital and real blend seamlessly. Apple VR glasses promise just that. Today, we'll explore everything these revolutionary glasses can do. Apple VR glasses are designed for immersive experiences. They combine advanced technology with user-friendly features. Let's break it down step by step. First, they provide stunning visual clarity. High-resolution displays bring images to life. Users will feel as if they're right in the action. Next, the spatial audio technology creates an immersive sound experience. You'll hear sounds surrounding you, just like in real life. Immersive sound enhances any application you use. Now, let's talk about the controls. These glasses use hand tracking and voice commands. This means you can navigate effortlessly without any remotes. One key feature is the augmented reality capabilities. You can overlay digital content onto the real world. Imagine seeing your favorite video game characters in your living room. Another incredible aspect is the wide range of applications. From gaming to virtual tourism, these glasses have it all. You can explore Paris or dive into the ocean without leaving your home. For example, picture yourself attending a concert from your couch. With Apple VR glasses, you can experience events live, feeling every moment. To summarize, Apple VR glasses revolutionize how we see and interact with the world. They offer clarity, sound, advanced controls, and countless applications. Ready to explore this new reality? Dive into the Apple website for more details and see how you can experience it yourself. Imagine hosting a virtual family gathering where distant loved ones share laughter and stories as if they were all in the same room. With the Apple VR glasses, these moments transform into unforgettable experiences, bringing everyone closer together, no matter the distance. Feel the warmth of shared joy and connection through this innovative technology. Envision participating in a thrilling virtual race, where your friends and family join you from various parts of the globe. Each participant competes in stunning, lifelike environments that react to your movements and strategies, heightening the excitement. The Apple VR glasses effortlessly immerse you in this world, making every heartbeat feel real, igniting a sense of camaraderie as you race towards the finish line together. With just a few simple gestures, you can cheer each other on and celebrate victories as if you were side by side. Imagine collaborating in a virtual workspace, where teams from different corners of the world brainstorm and create in real time. The Apple VR glasses enable this seamless interaction, allowing users to manipulate 3D models and share ideas as if sitting around the same table. Visualize drawing designs in mid-air or annotating projects with a flick of your wrist. Each interaction feels dynamic and engaging, inspiring innovation and creativity like never before. The intuitive interface ensures that everyone can participate, creating a truly collaborative environment that transcends physical boundaries. With this technology, distance becomes irrelevant, enhancing productivity and teamwork in ways previously unimagined. Imagine exploring historical landmarks through a virtual tour, interacting with replicas of ancient artifacts as if they were in your hands. The Apple VR glasses allow you to step back in time and immerse yourself in rich narratives of the past. Feel the awe of walking through colossal structures, guided by captivating stories that come alive through every glance with astonishing detail and vibrant colors. Experience learning like never before, sparking curiosity and wonder as you connect with history in a profound way. In conclusion, the Apple VR glasses redefine our interaction with both digital and physical realms, fostering connections and experiences that enrich our lives beyond imagination. As technology continues to evolve, these glasses stand as a beacon of innovation, opening doors to endless possibilities waiting to be explored.